Very often, people do things for you that mean a lot, and a simple thank you is never enough. Here are 10 different ways in which you can thank someone and make it sound more meaningful. 1. I am touched by your kind gesture. 2. What you did was truly unforgettable. 3. I will always be grateful for your help. 4. I could never thank you enough. 5th. Thanks a ton. 6. I don't know what I would have done without you. 7. What would I do without you? 8. Your kind thoughtfulness has made everything so much easier. Ninth, I cannot even begin to tell you how grateful I am. 10th, I cannot find the right words to express my gratitude. Thank you for watching.